Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 GMC Terrain Denali. This is our smaller size SUV, two-row SUV, but it's a good size. I would say it's a pretty much mid-size. I believe it's about the same size as the Blazer. So this one is finished in red quartz tint coat with jet black interior. Really nice. You can heat just the back portion, or these are two-mode heated seats, so you can heat just the back portion, or you could heat the back and bottom of your seat. You do have a power lift gate, plenty of cargo space. You can put your two seats down using these two switches here. You do have a power outlet if need be. You want to go ahead and shut it, push the button there. And then if it's too high for you, you can go ahead and turn this dial here, set it to 3/4 of the way, which will open it. Only 3/4 of the way compared to the max height. Pretty neat idea, especially if you have a garage or something like that and you don't have the full clearance. Oh, I didn't even look at the price. So the price on this one is $44,000. Not too bad. Start, you put your foot on the brake. That's a pretty nice design there. Push the button to go. Everything is really nice feel to it. Love the nice wood grain trim. You do have multi-mode all-wheel drive, so you can put it in just basic four-wheel drive or off-road mode. You do have heated and ventilated seats up front. To go ahead and put it in drive, it's these buttons here. You have reverse, park, neutral, drive, and low with your manual option. Put it in drive. So this has a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder Ecotec motor. Really nice. It's mated to a 9-speed automatic, which again is really nice. Really deep center console. You have your wireless charging, which is down right here. Nice panoramic sunroof. As you can tell, it has a lot of power. The 2.0 is perfectly adequate for this vehicle. Plenty of passing power. The transmission will downshift and put you right in the power band where you need to be. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for future videos, and have a great day.